It's a sad day. For many of us, Odoo is about to get a little bit more expensive. And I may be downplaying it a bit here because a jump from $58 to $76 per user is a 31% increase. That's pretty steep. So it's probably about time we took a serious look at how to save you money in Odoo. And I think I found the perfect tool to do just that. So in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy to use tool that will allow you to significantly cut costs in Odoo. And what are the two highest costs for most companies in Odoo? Users and upgrades. Unless you have some super fancy hosting, these make up 80 to 90% of your ongoing cost. So what can we do to help change that? For upgrades, we want to have as few customizations and integrations that we can't handle ourselves that we can. That means saying no to third-party apps installed in Odoo, if at all possible. Yes, I get a lot of flack and kickback on this for various reasons, but partners make a lot of money from upgrades, and we're trying to be self-sufficient and efficient with our budget here. I'll have another video talking about more ways to still do what you need to in Odoo without making your upgrades ridiculously expensive. But let's talk about users here. Most companies have users that barely use Odoo. I mean, they work with maybe one or two apps and that's it. But you're still paying the same for them as a power user. That kind of sucks. And it can really hurt scalability because most times these are your employees out in the field or on the production floor. Having to pay another $76 each time you hire someone new isn't something you should have to worry about. Take, for example, the company that is going to save $5,000 a month because of what I'm about to show you. He has 100 employees out in the field working for him. Now, he won't have to pay for any of those users. So I said he's saving $5,000 when really he's saving $7,600 a month. Anyway, it might not be as drastic for you, but let me show you the tool and I think you'll be surprised at just how many of your users you could cut back on. Okay, so again, our use case. My guy's got 100 people out in the field and he just needs to know where they're spending their time. Basically, can you clock into these tasks, say I spent this many hours on it, and let me know. Normally, for somebody to put in a timesheet on a field service task, we'd have to pay for that. I mean, you look at this, I'd need to come in, I'd go here, I'd put in a timesheet, and that is all I'm doing in Odoo. But I'm just as expensive as a power user. Now I've shown you ways to do this before, but they're a bit technical and involved, and not something I even want to do half the time. This new tool blows that old method out of the water. Look at this beautiful, stunning, some people even might say breathtaking app here. So you obviously need to be able to see what all this does first before you'll agree with me. But keep in mind, I spent maybe 2 hours on this, and as far as real time, I probably spent maybe 30 minutes building this out. A lot of the rest of the time was just kind of feedback with the team that supports this tool. So what this app does is it reaches out to Odoo, and for this part, it communicates with my employee app here, okay? And if you're not familiar with this, that's totally fine, but there are a couple places in Odoo where employees can log in without necessarily having a user account, and they can use their PIN code to do that. So I built this app to work the same way. So you come in, you go to Abigail Peterson, again, her PIN is 12345. We go in and we're logged in. Maybe nothing too groundbreaking there, but if you look at our tasks here, these are pulling automatically from what we have in Odoo. So if I duplicate my tab, we come into field service, and yes, I've filtered down on field service for this, but if I create a new task, we're going to say new task for my ODIY crew. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save that. Oh, I do need a customer. We go ahead and save that. I come back out here, refresh, and I'm going to have to log in again because we want to make sure that this is nice and secure. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, log in, and now you can see that I have this new task here, new task for my ODIY crew. So anyway, let's go ahead and put in a timesheet. So I'm going to go to new task for my ODIY crew. My date, we'll go ahead and say that this was Friday when I worked, and I did 7 hours, and this was really tough. Please love me more. Oh, please love me more for completing it. Okay, we'll submit the timesheet. Super, super responsive, very nice. And when I come back in here and refresh, you will see that the timesheet shows up inside of Odoo. And yes, I made it so that employees can look at existing timesheets. They can edit them up until when they are validated inside of the system. And sure, there are still some rough edges to this app that we may want to go ahead and clean up. But for the functionality that we've got, 30 minutes is not bad. Now, you may not be blown away, but again, this is saving my customer $5,000 to $7,600 a month. This specific use case may not apply to you, but again, I'm sure you can think of ways that you would want customers or vendors or employees to interact with Odoo and not have to pay per user for them. So how did I accomplish this so quickly? Well, let me show you the tool. It's called Hello Leo. And if you keep up with AI like I do, you may have heard of a term called vibe coding. You can use platforms like Lovable or Base64 to build out some pretty cool apps. These tools are super awesome, but the problem for us, especially as it relates to Odoo, is they don't connect directly, whereas Hello Leo actually sits on top of Odoo and works with it. And the truly beautiful thing about Hello Leo is it actually is connecting to your Odoo database and is aware of it. So if you have custom fields or custom models, it knows what those are. That means you can speak to the AI in plain English and say, this is what I want to do, and it will build it out for you. That is crazy, right? I mean, I told you that I built out this little app in really about 30 minutes. I mean, that's with giving it the first prompt and then going through and refining things and making sure it worked. But really, this could be life-changing for any of you that want to try it out. And yes, I'll do a video next week to kind of go over the specifics of how you interact with Hello Leo and how you connect it to your Odoo database. But for many of you, you won't even need me for that because this is so easy to use. So if you want to check it out, grab the link in my description below and head on over there. It's actually only $20 a month for most users, which is super reasonable, especially with all the money you're going to save using this. And if you sign up with my link in the description below, you get 20% off. And yes, I'm going to be talking more about this, helping you figure out how to use it for yourself. And the team over at Hello Leo are working on making it so that templates can be copied from one user's account to another. So if you like what I did here with this timesheet login, in the next few weeks, you're going to be able to copy it verbatim to your own Odoo database. It's going to be awesome. Anyway, thanks for your time, guys. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions for me directly, you can drop them in the comments below. Love to hear them. I respond to every single one of them. Or if you have something a bit more involved, we can talk about it. Go ahead and grab my link below and you can schedule some time with me. But thanks for showing up, guys. I really appreciate it. We'll see you again soon.